શશાંકાસન, રેબિટ મૂન આસન.
નાના બાળકો હાઈપર બહુ હોય એના માટે બહુ સારું.
ગુસ્સો પણ ઓછો થશે, બ્લડ પ્રેશર પણ નોર્મલ થશે એનાથી. ઠીક છે. તો આ તમારે શું કરવાનું છે? અને ઓછી ઊંઘ આવતી હોય એના માટે કયા પ્રયોગ છે? પહેલો પ્રયોગ યોગ મુદ્રા, બીજો
190
ત્રીજો શ્વાસ પ્રેક્ષા. આ 3 પ્રયોગ આના માટે છે અને 3 પ્રયોગ પેલા માટે છે. હવે છે કે દર્શનાવળી કર્મનો બંધ કેવી રીતે થાય છે? કેમ કે આપણાને ઊંઘનો સંબંધ કોના સાથે છે? દર્શનાવળી કર્મની સાથે છે. જેને વધારે ઊંઘ આવતી હોય એનું કારણ પણ છે દર્શનાવળી કર્મનો ઉદય છે, એટલે એને બચારાને વધારે ઊંઘ આવે છે. અને ઊંઘ નથી આવતી એનું કારણ પણ દર્શનાવળી કર્મ છે. તો દર્શનાવળી કર્મનો બંધ કેવી રીતે થાય છે અને કેટલી વખત સુધી રહે છે? દર્શનાવળી કર્મનો બંધ જગન્ને તો અંતર્મુહૂર્ત રહે છે અને ઉત્કૃષ્ટ 30 કરોડાકોટ સાગ્રોપમ સુધી ચાલે છે. 30 કરોડાકોટ સાગ્રોપમ. સાગ્રોપમ તમને ખબર છે શું હોય? ખબર નથી. એને આપણે બતાવી ન શકીએ. એક એક્ઝામ્પલથી આપણે સમજી શકીએ. એક જાણે કૂવો હોય છે, 4 કોસ ઊંડો હોય છે, 4 કોસ લાંબો ચોડો હોય છે. એના અંદર જો 7 દિવસના જન્મેલા યોગલિક બાળક હોય, એ બાળ કેટલા સોફ્ટ હોય? બાળકના, આપણા બાળ મોટા હોય છે, બાળકના તમે જોયો ને કેટલા સોફ્ટ હોય છે. તો યોગલિકના ટાઈમે એ બાળકોના બાળ એટલા સુવાળા, એટલા સોફ્ટ હોતા. એ બાળથી એ કૂવાને આખો ઠૂંસ ઠૂંસ કરીને ભરી દે. એના ઉપર ચક્રવર્તીની સેના ચાલે તોય પણ એક બાળ પણ આમ તેમ ન થાય. એ કૂવામાંથી 100 વર્ષ પછી એક બાળ કાઢે. એ કૂવાને ખાલી થતા કેટલો ટાઈમ લાગશે? એને કહેવાય એક પલ્યોપમ. એવા 10 પલ્યોપમનું એક સાગ્રોપમ હોય છે. તો 30 કરોડ સાગ્રોપમ સુધી જે દર્શનાવળી કર્મનો બંધ થઈ ગયો તે ચાલશે. એનો બંધ કેવી રીતે થાય છે? આપણે આચાર્યની અથવા વીતરાગની આપણે અસાધના કરીએ તો દર્શનાવળી કર્મનો બંધ થાય છે. અને આચાર્ય અથવા વીતરાગની આપણે અવર્ણવાદ બોલીએ, એમની નિંદા કરીએ, હા ખબર છે કેવા આચાર્ય છે, અમને ખબર છે, બધું ખબર છે, આપણે કહીએ ને, કોઈ વખાણ કરે કે હા અમુક આચાર્ય આવા છે તેવા છે, આપણે શું કરીએ? મને ખબર છે કેટલા પાણીમાં છે. આપણે શું કરીએ છીએ? એવી રીતે બોલીને આપણે શું કરીએ છીએ? એમના અવર્ણવાદ બોલીએ, નિંદા કરીએ તો એનાથી પણ દર્શનાવળી કર્મનો બંધ થાય છે. તો દર્શનાવળી કર્મ બંધ જેવી રીતે જ્ઞાનાવળી કર્મનો બંધ થાય છે, એ જ કારણ છે આ બધા દર્શનાવળી કર્મના બંધના. હવે દર્શનાવળી કર્મનો જો ઉદય થઈ ગયો એને આપણે ક્ષોપસમમાં કેવી રીતે બદલી શકીએ? એના માટે શું કરવાનું છે? જો તમારો આઈબ્રો છે ને, આઈબ્રોનું વચ્ચેનું સ્થાન જો એને શું કહેવાય? દર્શન કેન્દ્ર કહેવાય. દર્શન કેન્દ્ર. તો દર્શન કેન્દ્ર ઉપર તમારે ધ્યાન કરવાનું છે. ઓરેન્જ કલરનું અરુણ રંગ એનું ધ્યાન કરવાનું છે અને મનમાં સંકલ્પ કરવાનો છે. અંતરદૃષ્ટિ જાગૃત થઈ રહી છે. તો તમે દર્શન કેન્દ્ર પર જેટલું ધ્યાન કરતા રહેશો તો દર્શનાવળી કર્મનો જો ઉદય છે એક ક્ષોપસમાં બદલી જશે અને તમારી અંતરદૃષ્ટિ પણ જાગૃત થઈ જશે. તો આવી રીતે આપણે આજે ચર્ચા કરી કે દર્શનાવળી કર્મનો બંધ કેવી રીતે થાય છે, એનો ઉદય કેટલા સમય સુધી ચાલે છે અને દર્શનાવળી કર્મનો સંબંધ ઊંઘની સાથે છે. તો દર્શનાવળી કર્મ જેમ જેમ તમારું પાતળું થતું જશે તેમ તેમ તમારો આગળ વિકાસ થતો જશે. એ જ આશાની સાથે. અને એક દિવસ એવો આવશે કે આપણે આત્મ સાક્ષાત્કાર કરી શકશું. જો આપણું લક્ષ્ય છે આત્મ સાક્ષાત્કાર કરવાનું, તો જ્યારે દર્શનાવળી કર્મનો ઉદય ક્ષોપસમમાં બદલશે અને એક દિવસ જ્યારે ક્ષય થઈ જશે આવશે, ત્યારે દર્શનાવળી કર્મનો ક્ષય થઈ જશે, ત્યારે આપણે આત્મ સાક્ષાત્કાર કરી શકશું. એ જ આશાની સાથે. ઓમ અરહમ.
મંગલમ ભગવાન વીરો મંગલમ ગોતમો ગણી મંગલમ સ્થૂલિભાદ્રાદ્યા જૈન ધર્મોસ્તુ મંગલમ સર્વધર્મોસ્તુ મંગલમ. વીતરાગ परमात्मा ने महावीर ने नमन, अनंत शक्ति ना स्रोत, पूज्य गुरु चरणों मा नमन, आदरास्पद समणी जी, भाइयों बहनों. From last week, I started this topic, Kayotsarg. The meaning and etymology is very clear to everyone. Kayotsarg is very important, and this is the starting point of Jain sadhana as well as ending point of Jain sadhana. The final Kayotsarg is Ayog. Ayog means no activity of body, no activity of speech, and no activity of mind. So that is the final stage, Ayog sadhana. In Jain Shastra, especially Avashyak Niryukti and more than 100 verses dedicated towards Kayotsarg, and a separate book form, Kayotsarg Shatak, means 100 verses on Kayotsarg. So there they analyze Kayotsarg in different ways. The first thing, Sabba Dukkha Vimukhanam Kayotsargam, means Kayotsarg which remove all the pain and all the miseries. And Kayotsarg is used in various factors. And Kayotsarg is the daily lifestyle of Jain monks and nuns. Suppose I have to go out for An. I have to go out, Lord Mahavir, I am going for avasyak work, means some necessary work. And that's why we used to say avasahi, avasahi when we go out from upasraya. And when we come back, then we say nissahi, nissahi, means my that work is over. Now no more that imagination, no more the past baggage on my back, on my mind. This is the great sutra of Kayotsarg. Those who want to work some higher qualities work, we have seen Acharya Mahapragya living a life of every minute Kayotsarg. He used to say several times, Nissayasam. Suppose he is doing Agam work. When Agam work is finished, after half an hour, and after half an hour, he say himself, not loudly, Nissayasam, means that work is over. If I die, that work is over. Yes, he used to say. Like that, I have no more imagination about that. Just stop the button. This is done. So, Nissesam. And we people, as Samani Himpragya mentioned, that office no work ghar le aaye che, and there is a struggle in house. Some person, like wife is working somewhere else, husband is working somewhere else, and both bega kyare thai che, they meet at evening. And everybody wants, okay, when I go home, I'll get some hot food, nice smell of food, and nice means smiling face of my wife. And wife, oh, my smiling face of my husband. Because balko means their kids, when they are young, they go out. Life starts from 2 and again 2. Honeymoon thai jai che, without karta. Huh? They don't want to make honeymoon, but nobody is there. So, honeymoon. But husband on the sofa or looking at TV, thinking about something. થઈ ગઈ રોટલી No. What are you doing? Come and help me. I'm so tired. So this happened. I have seen and I have learned a good lesson from Acharya Tulsi. He used to say that if we think I am tired, no, I am not tired. After finishing a certain type of work, you start something new. Your office work is over. You are at home. Oh, I have to do. Okay, give me. I will do this dusting. I will change this. I will keep it out. Or I will help you in the salad or sabji or something. If I have to keep eye on something, I will do that. And that is Visayantar Karanam Visramam. Change of work. Change of work is a kind of relaxation. Being a dentist, your hands are always like this, huh? And you are working for one, then two, then three. And it's no joke because always in the same position. And I have seen when like 18 years, 15 years ago, I went to Orlando. We have one center, JVB Orlando. And at that time, our president, Shashi Shah. And one day, my head had some pain. So we both went to his surgery. And 10 patients. He is working like this, 2 minutes, then 3 minutes, and 3 minutes, and 2 minutes, huh? And 5, 6, his own personal surgery. So 10, 5 chairs there, 5 chairs there, and patient. So he's taking care of us so fast, he's working. And one thought came in my mind. And that thought was that this person is working, it's overworking. I don't know why, because at the time, first time I went, I have no idea, but it came in my mind. And look, after 2 years, somebody came from Orlando, and then he said, Sasibhai have to take pre-retirement. Why? What happened? It's bad arthritis and stress, and his nerves are not working. Then I told, it came in my mind. Why? Then somebody said, why? Because I have seen him. It was too much on him. 5% this side, 5% this side, or working on 10% like a machine. Taking no relaxation, overtime work, and that creates a big problem. Finishing one patient take 2-3 minutes, and those who are working in the my nerves and muscles of my hand, energy going and flowing. Where mind goes, energy flows. This is the golden sutra of relaxation. So those who are dentists, they should be careful about it, because we have these fingers only. No transplantation. Knee can be replaced, but hand can't. Have you heard? No. So it's not replaced. It has its capacity. So if you use activity and relaxation, and you can travel a long way. Otherwise, it's so difficult. The story of Shashi Shah is not a normal story. Those who are doing over, they have to stop. So we should not stop. We should use our whole capacity throughout the life. Life is not a small sentence. There are many commas, semicolons, and we have to take pauses. And that pause, activity and pause. And if you take that pause 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 5 second pause, I told you 1 second, 5 second relaxation. Stop. can channelize your energy through your brain instruction. So whoever working in what is their way, what is the limbs, what limb is used in use, they should be careful about that. That is most important. For a dentist, hands are. For accountant, their brain. For other type of, like someone are just salesmen standing, they have to be very careful. If they stands 8 hours, 6 hours, they have to do some reverse exercise, keeping the bottom down and legs up. This is very important exercise. I have seen many people in the Western world, they are standing, they said, in our job we are not allowed to sit and take rest. We are not allowed. Okay, not allow, but at home you are allowed. You do that reverse exercise to your body, and that reverse exercise is the best antidote, best way of the problems which occur to the similar type of activity. Or those who are working in computers, all the time, and I think more than 80% people all around the world, because now all work is computer, and they have also some back and hand and shoulder, frozen shoulder, and the problem in the muscles of their hand. So they should be aware, and the relaxation is key. Sab dukh vimokhanam kau satkam. Why I'm here and telling you the application of a meditation for your job, for your housework, for your health. Am I mad? Because this work can do some doctor, some health consultant. What is religion there? Can anybody answer me? What is religion there? Why I have taken all these things on my head? If someone is ill, is there karma? Why I am taking this? Can you answer me?
It's good thoughts. You've got good thoughts for others. You've got seva for others. Just
Yeah.
by saying.
Yeah, this is one seva. Also one more important thing.
You have
If a person, yes?
If you don't have health, you can't practice religion.
Yeah, reaching to us. This is my seva, benefit of me. But other one, like I'm telling her to keep your hand healthy. But from her hand she is doing work, but from her hand she is doing some other works also. So why I am here to tell her? Because if body is not healthy, swasthe chitte buddhaya prasphuranti. If your health, if your mind, if your psyche is healthy, then everything is healthy. Every good thoughts, even religion can be performed by the body. That is first important. Second thing, suppose I have some pain in my throat, in my nose, I have cold, I have bad cold. Can I concentrate on my work, on my study, on mala, on meditation? No. Because again and again it is hurting. I feel uneasy. So how I can perform religion? And that's why a person is not in ease. So what type of meditation? Rajiv bhai. Artha Dhyan. Rudra Dhyan in fighting, quarreling and argument, counter argument, and in anger and rage, that is Rudra Dhyan. But whenever we are in pain, any sort of pain, that is Artha Dhyan. More concentration on there. I have no concentration for prayer, no concentration on meditation, no concentration on housework or kids and anything. So, to keeping out from the Artha Dhyan, it is a great seva of the mankind. Once, when Acharya Mahaprabhuji started Preksha meditation, and many people, they, oh Gurudev, I have this problem, I have this problem, I have this problem, and they used to, okay, Samni Malli Pragya, you sit outside and tell him what to do. Muni, go to Kisan Lalji Swami, go to Mahindra Kumarji Swami. In this way, he used to direct people and learn this, learn this. He used to give us mantra, meditation, technique. And so one day, one person came. You are a religious acharya and your duty is only religion. Have you taken a theka or contract on your head to make the people healthy? Is this your goal? Then he said, no, not at all. This is not my goal. But my goal is keeping out people from Artha Dhyan. If they are in Artha Dhyan, if they are in agony and pain, they cannot perform religious activity. And that's why we are giving a simple instruction. If you do, if you do, if you don't do, do's and don'ts of these lifestyle tips. And that is the big way to direct them towards religion. And recently, on my coursework, I was taking interview of Acharya Mahastramanji, and I asked, like normally Jaina religion is totally focused on the spiritual path of that is directing towards the monks. So why we spend time? Okay, she's telling if you don't sleep sound, then if you have less sleep, then you are automatic like upset, then you became angry, and you became angry, you shout on somebody, and they shout, and then a war of tug, and then new karma, the way is open for binding of new karma. So we try to heal the root, and if we try to heal the root, we clear that congestion, and the way is open for the religion. So, Kayotsarg, again taking towards this Sabba Dukha Vimokhanam Kausagam. To try to learn Kayotsarg after each and every activity, and that will give a way to you travel far and wide peacefully with your health, and with your health Dharma Sadhanam Sharira Madhyam Khalu Sarva Sadhanam Sarira Madhyam Khalu Dharma Sadhanam. Body is the instrument to perform all the duties of the worldly life, as well as body is also an instrument to perform all the spiritual and religious duties, religious activities. So keep your body ready to travel for the spiritual voyage and be like active and energetic. So every action, then relaxation. And try to put relaxation near where you are working. Where you are working, try to put a sticker, relaxation. 5-second relaxation, and that will make a big change in your life. And those who practiced it, we have seen Acharya Mahapragya ji. Okay, Agam work is finished. After that, okay, now I am teaching Samnis. Then after 15 minutes, Samnis teaching is over. Now I'll give time to the lay followers. After that, then it's my mantra writing time. After mantra writing, now it is my relaxation time. 10 minutes relaxation, and within 10 minutes, not else 5 seconds above, just after 10 minutes is up.
He can sleep 3 minutes. He can take a nap of 2 minutes. Okay, time is over. I have to go and get ready. Okay. So in this way, in middle, I have seen Abhikshanam Kau Saggakari. Abhikshanam. Abhikshanam again and again. Again and again he did Kayotsarg. And that's why at the age of 90, more than 100 types of work from 4 o'clock to morning till 10 o'clock. 18 hours constant with full of spirit, not lazy, not lethargy. Always. If those who have seen Acharya Mahapragyaji, I think Dinesh Bhai, you were there. So have you seen him tired or lazy or uneasy or shouting or no? Always peaceful, always calm. And the key was Abhikshanam Kau Sadgakari. Again and again he used to do, and he did, and he finally within a peace, talking, sitting. That was the final death. And sitting pose. So, Kayutsarg is very important. And you know, in Avashyak Sutra, what is the sutra? Tassa Uttari Karanenam. Tassa Kassa. What is that? Tassa means all the activities related to day-long activities. Tassa Uttari Karanenam. Payachitta Karanenam. Anything, violation of rules, I do atonement, payochitta karanenam, visohi karanenam, to purify myself, visalli karanenam, pick up the thorn which is prick inside me, in my body, not in body, but in my mind or in my psychic centers, in my psychic life. If something is like a thorn, so I keep it out, visalli karanenam. Pavanam kammanam nighaya nattaye. Pavanam, all the sinful activities, nighaya nattaye, to stop them. Thami kausagam, I am ready to do kayotsal. This is the prescription for the kayotsal. These are the reasons why we do kayotsal. So sometimes people say, oh, nowadays religion is totally changed. They are a lot more talking about health and about nice sleep, deep sleep. No. See what is behind the curtain. What is behind the curtain? If you are not, if there is no sound sleep, then you see many people in the Samaik, in the meditation or in the lecture, they are sleeping. Huh? Many. They are sitting in the lecture, but physically, not attentively. So, our way of teaching and taking life as a whole. Religion is the part of the whole life. It is not the like, okay, it is a small portion. No, it is not small portion. Religion is always imbibed and interwoven in the life. And that's why we cannot ignore the problem of life. We cannot ignore. Once I remember, recollected nice incident. Acharya Mahapragyaji came to the Seva Kendra. Seva Kendra in Ladnu, we have old nuns Seva Kendra. Whoever is disabled, they are staying there. And in young nuns group, every year 2 groups is there staying for whole year doing seva. This is our life tax. Suppose they send me 1 year, so I am there for seva. Whole year I am there for seva, and after that year, next year suppose she joined for seva. Then another group joined, another person joined. So old nun, very 80, 90, 95, means very old nuns. It means they cannot move, cannot walk, they are there. All their work is done by young nuns, all the seva, all the cleanliness, all their need will be their eating, washing, cleaning, everything. So Acharya asked them, and you do swadhyay, then they say yes, 2000, 3000 gatha, we recite every day. Then they say, are you doing japa? Yes, 2 hour, 1 hour we spend in japa. Then you do yogasan. Then say, Gurudev, we are too old for yogasan. Then Acharya say, no, you can do. And we were amazing. Is this joking or kidding with the old nuns? But no, he told, sleeping, mentally do cycling of your knees. Mentally, like, and he said, it will slowly, you feel your legs are up. Then you feel stretched, unstretched, stretched, and then you can move. You can move. Sleeping, you can move, and this will make a big change. Sleeping, you think, oh, I'm moving, I'm walking, and you visualize that, and maybe slowly, your nerves and muscles strengthen, and you can do that. So you can do exercises, yogic exercises mentally. This is also a way. And relax that muscles. If some muscles tight, some nerves trapped, then give them good relaxation. And relaxation, if doctor said, okay, you have to take bed rest. Bad rest. Not bad rest, good rest. And good rest is Kayutsar. So the key is Kayutsar. Relax yourself. If you physically relaxed, then vocal and mental is related to your body. Om Arham. This Budhwar is Chaturmas is over. So if we are not here, so it is Chomasi Pakhi, Chomasi Purnima. It's a big day. 5-month Chaturmas is going to be over. So at least you can do, if you don't know much more, do Khame mi sabba jive, sabbe jiva khamantumi, mitti me sabba bhuvesu, veram majjana kenai. So small pratikrama. And you have JVB downloaded on the net pratikraman. So please do at home through internet. You have CDs, do buy CDs. If you because it is in the mid of the day, 4 o'clock, but don't go on the time. You can do 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Just sit for some time and do little bit pratikrama. It is again big day, and some people do patadarshan and all these things. So do something, because this Chomasi Pakhi Purnima is very, very important. And Victoria Albert Museum, just I announced, again few people came. So Victoria Albert Museum is also doing a Patadarshan program, because they got in very, very ancient Pat from India, and first time they launching. So 145 at Victoria Albert Museum, and their curator Nicholson told me. First I denied, but he requested again and again. So I and him Pragya, we will go there. So this is again an event over there, and you can do, because it is weekdays. So at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes, small, big, whatever you can do at home, or whatever is possibility.
कितने बजे है? कितने बजे?
1:45. If you are working in the city, you can come over there. This is Jain event. Wednesday. Satrunjay Pat.
And the next Sunday as well?
No, only Wednesday.
Wednesday they launch, and how many days they keep it, I don't know.
No,
But
you said next Sunday.
what?
Is another program?
No,
No, I am talking about Wednesday.